Imagine, for a second, you're looking up at the night sky. Among all that cosmic beauty, you can see and imagine lies a force so powerful that it could spell the doom for entire galaxies. A force so sinister that if it became activated, it could be the end of our galaxy. That force? Quasars. Before we look at the catastrophic galaxy-ending power of quasars, let's first understand what they are. Quasars are incredibly bright and distant celestial objects, emitting more energy than hundreds of galaxies combined. The name itself, short for quasi-stellar radio source, might make them sound like alien radio station. Originally discovered via radio waves, quasars can emit across a wide spectrum, from radio to X-rays. But here's the dark truth. They are powered by massive black holes, feasting on the material around them. These aren't your typical black holes. They're giants, millions to billions of times the mass of our sun. Just imagine, at the center of these quasars lies a massive dark heart, ready to unleash chaos. These incredibly powerful objects can devour our entire galaxies. Could our galaxy be next? These magnificent balls of destructive energy are essentially black holes on steroids. The intense gravitational pull attracts everything close to it, from stars to planets and even light itself. As this material spirals towards the black hole, it heats up and produces tremendous amounts of energy, making the quasar emit a glow that can be seen from billions of light years away. But the real horror begins when quasars consume too much too fast.
After light was sent free in the universe, because before then it was constantly interacting with matter, and the universe was just a fog.
The energy released can produce powerful jets called quasar breezes, shooting out from the quasar's core at nearly the speed of light. These jets can push away the surrounding material, depriving the galaxy of essential building blocks for forming new stars. Like a forceful exhale from a cosmic giant, these winds have the power to shape the destiny of entire galaxies. Can you imagine if our Milky Way galaxy had an active quasar at its center? What would happen to our solar system? These aren't your ordinary breezes. Galactic winds produced by quasars are potent streams of charged particles. They can sweep through a galaxy carrying away gas, dust, and other essential materials. With the building blocks for new stars gone, the galaxy becomes a barren wasteland. But it's not just the winds. The radiation from a quasar can also be intense enough to blow away the galaxy's atmosphere, leaving it exposed and vulnerable.
The story of a quasar dates all the way back to the early universe, only a few billion years after the Big Bang, a time where gaseous clouds were more prevalent and galaxies were much closer together.
So, a quasar doesn't just consume, it exhales destruction. The real question is, can anything stop its destruction, especially if it starts consuming our galaxy? You might be relieved to know that quasars have a limit. They have active phases lasting 10 million to 100 million years. But when they devour too much material, they become victims of their own success. The material they consume begins to choke off the black hole's feeding source. Once this happens, the quasar dims and becomes inactive. This could be a galaxy's saving grace. But often, the damage is already done. The universe is full of cycles: birth, life, death, and rebirth. If this happened to our galaxy, could we ever recover from the quasar's wrath? For all their destructive power, quasars might also sow the seeds of creation. After their destructive phase, the gas pushed away by a quasar can come together to form new stars and even new galaxies, much like the mythical phoenix rising from its ashes. There is a silver lining, a hint of hope in this cycle of destruction and creation. The universe is a place of balance. After darkness, there's always light. After destruction, there's always rebirth. The exact time frame for a galaxy's rebirth remains one of the cosmos' myriad mysteries. Our galaxy may recover such a destructive event, but humans would long be gone.